Well, it's out with the old and in with the new. This ICECO IP40 has not performed correctly. Has not refrozen my freezer packs on the daily. It's falling behind. Plus, it's putting off a lot of condensation. Look at that. And then look at the back side. Molded all the way through. The cooler was good. Since I modified the cooler, it was good. The cooler packs would only melt just a little bit, and it kept the food in a refrigerated zone, temperature zone. So I've got all that pulled out. That underperforming, and it's getting replaced by this little mini fridge. It's a ICECO from Lowe's, 3.1 mini fridge with a small freezer. And those freezer packs will be for the beer cooler, and the small ones are for our lunches that we carry backpacking. And then it's just been turned on, it hasn't been turned on very long, so it's not down to temperature yet. But yeah. Let's go see what we've done so far in the van. So I've got all that torn out. Got a new shelf supports built. I need some new wood. I was going to reuse the wood from before, but it's all moldy, so I can't. So I got, that's 14-inch gap here. Right here is a 14-inch gap, so I have a nice, good little drawer there. And then a piece of plywood here. Nice base for the refrigerator. And then I'll figure out some bracing to hold it in place once I get that far. So yeah, getting it worked on. Okay, here we are, all installed. It's the ICECO little mini fridge. And I got my child locks so things won't go flying. I got bracing on the side, strap over the top, bracing in the back, bracing on the side, and bracing on the front. There's also a little piece of wood over here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Right in there. Right in under there is a little piece of wood that's bracing against that little foot there. So yeah, it's I got it in this morning. Had to rebuild everything. Got my little drawer down here. These side walls in the back is 9 inches high from the bottom. So that's a good sized drawer there. Put stuff in. Got my little latches. They work really well, those latches. And then child lock, you just push and then pull it open. I know it could have gone the other way, but not really, because I can't get my hand in there. And this is it. Still working on trying to get it to the right temperature. Ain't quite there yet. Working on it. Let me adjust this a little bit more. But it's frozen back there, so I don't know. If it's frozen back there, I don't know. I'll just keep watching it. Figure it out. And then the freezer has enough space for these freezer packs for the beer cooler. And we upgraded the beer cooler also. So we got a better cooler for the beer. It's under there. I got it. Some cooler packs in there to test it out. I'll show you in a sec. But yeah, got it in. It's running off the inverter. Like I said, it was just put in this morning. Turned on. I don't have any data on the power draw yet because it's, you know, sunny. Got solar, so it's keeping the battery topped off. So we'll see. Take a couple days testing it out. Adjusting. Got my drink holders back up. Yeah. Got another strap for if I want to put the stove up here out of the way. The stove. Break it down and strap it down up there. Well, take the propane off. Put it up there if I need to. I've been leaving it out because I've been using it every day making coffee. Go out and about and want a cup of coffee. Make me a cup of coffee. Still got my little fan going here. Most of the heat coming off the side though. A little bit off the top. And of course off the compressor in the back. But yeah. So far so good. Alright, let's go look at this cooler. Look at this cooler real quick. It is the Lifetime 28 quart cooler. And it's going to be the new beer cooler. It's better than the other little cheapo igloo we had. So yeah, that's what we got now. And it fits up front, right between the front seats. It won't, so that makes more space back here where the other cooler was at. So that'll go between the seats, frees up a little bit of space back here for other stuff. Alright, I'll probably do one more little update and then this will be over. Thanks. Well, we got an update on this mini fridge. I just went on a 5-week, 9,000-mile trip with it. It did great. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. Kept everything cold. Finally got the temperature regulated so nothing was frozen. It worked great. It's the best decision, one of the best decisions I've made, putting this in. Power draw. I have a 300 amp hour lithium battery, and with normal usage with that, I would wake up in the morning with in the mid 80 percentile usage. It'd be in the mid 80s with power left, and then but when I used the ICECO, I'd be in the mid 70%. So that used more power on 12 volts than this used on 120 volts using the 3,000 watt inverter. So I'm very happy. Less power usage, lots of space in this freezer and the fridge. Packed a good 8 days worth of food in there for 2 people. So it worked really good, really well. I was really happy. One of the better decisions I've made. If you got you got the space, I suggest you get one or something similar. And you got the inverter and the battery power to run this and whatever else you want to run. I get one of these. It was the best decision, one of the best decisions I've made, and I'm really happy. And I really like that drawer too. It's nice and big. The Instapot fits in there. Lots of canned goods and snacks. So yeah, I really like it. I will never go back to a 12 volt fridge freezer again. I'll go 120 volt all the way. Yep. So now this needs to go away. You need to get rid of it. Alright, you guys have a good day.